Okay, so we are going to solve the problem max value permutation. So if you are a beginner, then it is a very good problem to solve. Okay, its difficulty is easy, right? Okay, so let's see what the problem is. Given an array of n integers, and your task is to write the program to find the maximum value of summation of array of I into I where I is equal to 0, 1, 2 till n minus 1. You are allowed to rearrange the elements of the array. One note is also there. Okay, so let's read this problem for a couple of minutes and try to think over it. Okay, yes. So some of you might be confused after reading this line summation of array of I into I where I is 0, 1, 2 till n minus 1, which is nothing but the index. Okay, mm, so if you don't get it, what this actually is, what's the problem is, what the problem is asking, so it's better to read the examples, right? So let's see. In the example, we have input 5, 3, 2, 4, 1, and output is 40. Okay, let's see explanation. If we arrange the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we can see that minimum index will multiply with minimum number and maximum index will multiply with maximum number. Okay. So see here it is written if we arrange the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this we can figure it out that we have sorted the array. Okay. Yes. After doing sorting, what we did, we have multiply each element with its index. See, so 1 into 0, 2 into 1, 3 into 2, 4 into 3, 5 into 4. From this it can clearly be seen that we have to first sort the array and then we have to multiply each element with its index. Okay, so I think we have cracked it and now we know the approach. Okay, see here, expected time complexities and log n. And log n is the complexity of sorting algorithm. So we are damn sure this problem can be solved by first sorting the array and then multiplying the elements of array with their index. Okay, this note is given. See, since the output could be large, print the answer modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. You will see this kind of note in many problems in future. I will tell you what to do this when such note is given in the problem and why this note is given. That also I will show you. Okay, so just write the code now. As I mentioned, first we have to sort the array. So we will first sort the array. Okay. Look, I am using C++. Okay. So uh, so in input we have given the vector array. So let's just first sort this. Okay. So array dot begin comma array dot end. Okay. So we have sort the array. Then what we need to do? We have to traverse this array and we have to multiply each element of this array with its index and we have to return one we have to return our answer also. Okay, so for this I will take one variable int answer is equal to I will initialize it with 0. I will start my loop from I is equal to 0 till I less than array dot size and I plus plus. Okay, see here. We are given the note since the output could be large. Okay, our output will be what? Our answer variable, right? And it can be large. It means that we have to take long int. Okay, so we have to figure it out everything, right? Okay, so now what we will do? We will calculate uh, the product of every element with its index. Okay, and we are going to store that product in one variable. Let's take long long int temp. Okay, in this we will multiply each element with its index. So array of I means the element into I. This I means its index. Okay, and then we will see here 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. It means that we are going to store every product in the answer variable. Answer means the variable which we are going to return in the final. Okay, so answer is equal to answer plus 10, right? So I think this much is enough to run the test cases. Okay, so we are going to solve it. We are going to return this. Okay, so compile and run. Oh, what error? Sort was not declared in this code. Okay, I think S is small. Right. Yeah. So test case is running 53241. Your output 40, expected output 40, right? So just submit it. Oof. 1010 test case passed out of 1115. Now let's see what's the problem is. Now this node came into the picture, right? Let me tell you what this node means. See, since the output could be large, print the answer modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Output means what? The variable which we are returning, that is answer. What we are doing, answer is equal to answer plus temp. So this, so see what is happening here. Uh, the size of this answer variable is exceeding the value, right? That's why here it is given print the answer modulo 10 is to power 9 plus 7. So what to do in such situation? See, simply initialize one variable long int. You can name it anything. I'm writing here capital M and write 1a9 plus 7. This is in scientific form of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so this is very important line here. Okay, I'm marking it as important. Okay, whenever such a note come in the question, we have to initialize this variable. Capital M is 1 in 9 plus 7. Okay, now what we need to do? See, first of all, I forgot to typecast here. What to typecast? See, I have taken long in temp is equal to area of I into I. So I need to typecast it as a long. Okay, this was a mistake, right? Now the question is why we took capital M is equal to 1 in 9 plus 7. What to do with it? Okay, see, the size of this answer variable is exceeding. So what to do? Simply take this answer plus temp in a bracket, write modulo capital M. Okay, see, our answer variable was exceeding its size. So what we did, we have just taken this answer plus temp in one bracket, and then we write modulo capital M. Okay, now we will first compile it. Okay, everything is working fine. We will submit it. Yes, test case has passed, and I have run this code several times in the past, and my code was not getting submitted, right? Because of this one issue of modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. But now we submit this code, we have understood the concept. Whenever such a node comes, so simply take this variable and add this modulo capital M in the in this line where the value is exceeding, right? So this was a very good problem for someone who has just started doing coding, because this question has covered the concept of array and loops, and much important this modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. You will see this in many questions in the future, right? So Yeah, so this was the problem. If you have any problem in this question, if you have not understood anything from this code, you can just comment out in the comment section. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you.